Today we're going to be learning about while loops. While loops do something during certain conditions. Okay, so let's make a variable. X is equal to 0. And then we're going to do while x is less than, let's do, while x is less than 5, we're going to do something. Okay. As of right now, we have, this condition is met. X is 0, which is less than 5. So while x is less than 5, we can do something like print x. If we run this and we never change the value of x, it's just going to keep running. So let's try it and see what it does, just so you guys can see. It's just printing 0 forever. So we hit stop and it'll stop it from running. We could do so how could we get out of the loop? So how could we break this loop and stop it from just printing zeros over and over? Well, we could do something. We could do x is equal to x plus 1. So what's going to happen with this is, first off, it's going to see, is x less than 5? Yes. Then it's going to print it. Then it's going to add 1 to x, and it's going to store it inside of x. So then x is going to be 1. Let's see what it does. So there we go. First it printed out 0, then it added 1, and then it got until it went all the way up to 4. So if we made this number really large, like let's say 50, what's it going to do? It's going to keep going all the way till it gets to 49. Okay, so another way to write this one right here, this x is equal to x plus 1, we can do x plus equals 1. This is the same thing as writing x is equal to x plus 1. It's just a little faster, a lot nicer notation, and I think this is how I want to start doing. Let's see if that works. So let's do this. Okay, let's see if this works, and then we'll go back to our 5 here. Run. There we go. So x plus equals 1. That's gonna add 1 to our counter. So while we do this, so while x is less than 5, it's going to do stuff. So that's how the while loop works. So let's just do some things with this. We could do while x is less than 5, we could do print I am thinking of a number. And then we could get some information from the user. Input. What number am I thinking of? Question mark. And then, so this right here, it's just going to print, I'm thinking of a number, what am I thinking of? And under this input, it's going to ask the user, what number am I thinking of? And then we can do print. I'm also going to add a line here just so it looks nicer. Let's do that. That'll add a line. And then we could do print user input. Let's also do okay, so it's going to print out, I am thinking of a number, and then it's going to ask the user, what number am I thinking of? The user's going to input a number. It's going to put a space, and then it's going to print what number, or it's going to print whatever the user put in. So let's run this. I'm thinking of a number. What number am I thinking of? And then let's do 5. I'm thinking of a number. What number am I thinking of? Let's do 15. I'm thinking of a number. What number am I thinking of? Okay, and it's gonna ask us that over and over and over until x is larger than 5. So I think I've given you guys enough information here. The only other thing that I would want to give you is maybe, oh, I didn't do print. We can do the only other information I wanted to give you guys would be something like this. If user input is equal to 3, we're going to do something special under that case. What do we want to do? Let's do print, hey, you are really close. Let's see if that works. Let's see what this does. So if I run it, what number am I thinking of? If I put 1, it's just going to ask me again. But if I put 3, it should give me some extra information. 3. What number am I thinking of? If user input... Oh, okay. So the reason this didn't work is because I didn't turn this into an integer. So that's my fault. So let's turn this into an integer. Let's do int. Okay, so what that's going to do is going to take the user's input and it's going to turn it into a number. So let's try it again. So what number am I thinking of? Let's put 3. Hey, you're really close. Alright, so I want you guys to use this information to do assignment number 9. Have a good day.